Creating professional PowerPoint presentations used to take hours picking colors, layout, fonts, and images, all that time consuming stuff.
But in 2025, everything has changed. With Canva, you can create stunning business ready PowerPoint slides in seconds, literally. In this video, I'll show you step by step as how I use Canva's Magic Design AI to instantly create a full presentation on one of the topics like AI tools you should use in 2025. Stick around because once you see this, you will never make PowerPoints the old way again. Okay, let's head over to the canva.com. Now, once you go there, this is the page you're going to see over there. And what you need to do is first log into the Canva. If you have a pro account, that's good. If you don't, then also for trial period you can use it. Okay, so I'm just logging into the canva.com. As you can see over here, I'm just logging in. Okay, so moment you land into the canva.com, after logging in, you will see the Canva AI icon over there. First, you need to click on the Canva AI, and on that, you just need to click design and then presentation, as you can see step by step on the screen. What kind of professional or the minimalistic design with the PowerPoint you want to create, all those things you can select over here. You can just select the length also, that is the number of slides that you want to create. I just say decide for me, and then you have to give the prompt, appropriate prompt. So in this case, I'm going to create the PowerPoint presentation for AI tools you should use in 2025. That's the topic I've selected, and I've given the prompt as you can see, create a futuristic, minimal, high impact presentation titled AI you should use in 2025. Use clean layout, neon blue, purple accent, modern gradient, large icons, all the things that you need as a PowerPoint presentation. You just need to give the prompt over here. I've created a prompt. For now, you can just select and just copy it into the Canva AI, and you just say go, and you'll see the magic how quickly the Canva can create the presentation, which is again going to be a very professional presentation. Now first it creates all the sections that is going to be there in your PowerPoint presentation. As you can see here, the introduction section, then why AI tools matter in 2025. That is the topic I selected. And in introduction, you can see what all it is going to generate for you. If you want to edit it, you can edit as per your need. You can see the edit icon at the yes there, and then if you want to change something, just change it. So as of now, what you see is the layout that is going to created by the Canva AI for your presentation. If you want to make any changes in the presentation, you just make the changes over here. Although you can make the changes later on as well, but here is the complete layout it is going to generate. So you can modify as per unit. You can add the section, you can delete the section over here, you can move the sections up and down as per your need, different sections. So this is giving you flexibility to create the different slides, different sections in your presentation with the help of your prompt. Okay, now once you're satisfied with the layout and all, just go ahead with that, and then it will start creating the presentation for you. Now it is creating the presentation. I will have to wait for a few seconds or a minute or so to get 3 or 4 versions of this presentation. It will give you 3 or 4 versions, and out of these 3 or 4 versions, you can select one of them as per your need. So is as you can see, it has generated 4 different versions, and you can go through each one of them, and whichever you like, you can just select that. So I'm going to select one of them. I think the last one, The fourth one I'm going to select and take it ahead for further editing or for using it in my presentation. Okay, and you can also edit the presentation that it has generated. See the way the kind of presentation it has generated is looking very professional, and then it would have taken a long time for us if we would have created it manually in the PowerPoint. But with this Canva AI, you could just create it within few minutes just by giving appropriate prompt. You could also refine the prompt, and the Canva gives you facility to change the sections it is going to generate in the PowerPoint presentation. So these are all the flavors that it has generated for us, or four flavors it has generated, and you can go over each of those flavors and choose one of them for your presentation. As you can see, stunning images, all the slides, futuristic slides it has generated, which could have taken hours or days for us to generate if we would have created it manually. So this is the power of the Canva AI. You can just go to the Canva AI and create a professional presentation for yourself. This is all the slides it has generated. You can check, go over each of those flavors, and then once you select a specific flavor, you just need to go to the Canva editor to change the presentation further. You can change the colors which has been used by the AI, but you can change it as per your need. As you can see, I'm changing as per my need, different colors I'm choosing it. You can customize it basically as per your needs. So all the things you can do from the, you can even change the images which has been generated in the slides. Everything is there, and once you select one of the flavors, you can go to the Canva editor and do further customization. As you can see here, I'm free to change any of these text or the even the layout or the color, whatever I need as per presentation. But the good thing is that it has created all the slides for me, everything which is needed as a part of this specific topic it has generated, and you can customize quickly. Once you go to the Canva, you will see there are various options to customize it. You can regenerate some of the images which is there on this. You can see I'm just trying to change the the style to the light green for the top icon over there. You can see it will, as per my prompt, it will regenerate those. And if you want to adopt it, you can adopt it, or you can keep using the default ones. You could manually also do the color changes. If you don't want to give the prompt, you can just now see the content of the presentation it has generated for me. The AI revolution, that's the first slide, I think, and then why AI tool matters. These are the contents for the topic which I gave. That is why you should use AI in 2025. All these things are the content generated by the Canva. You can customize the content as per your need, as you see over here. Automated data analytics, virtual meeting facilitator. All these are powers of the AI, that is, the features coming out of the AI. So it has been documented or presented well in this presentation. That is, you can see the change. You can change the color as per your need. You can do the customizations. Everything is possible here. See the way it has generated the slides is very professional, futuristic, which you can use in your presentation. You can look into this in the preview mode or presenter mode. This is the presenter mode. Like in any PowerPoint presentation, you can add the notes. You can do the same over here as well for your presentation. Now I'm going to the presenter mode, that is present in full screen mode, and you can see the slides it has generated. It's looking stunning, and you can just use it in any of your presentation, however you want to present. Now these are the contents of the slides which has been generated. Embrace AI today for a brighter future. And you can just download it in the form of the PDF, PPT, or JPG, whichever format you would like to. Just go over there and you can just download it and use it in your presentations. See, it has given me the PowerPoint presentation file, and I just need to, open it and present it wherever I need. So everything is there now, and this shows the power of Canva AI, which you can use to create the PowerPoint presentations within no time. If it was an useful information, do subscribe and like it. Thank you.